This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about shopping bags, specifically these great Restaurantware Eco t-shirt bags. They are a fantastic size. They are 22 by 12 with a nice, if I can get it open, there we go, 6.5-inch gusset. So they make for great retail shopping bags. You can see their plastic is a nice kind of light minty green color and it's translucent. And it also has a fantastic little eco-friendly design printed on the front that kind of touts its little merits, right? So this is a great bioplastic. It's cornstarch based and it's biodegradable and compostable, right? And it can also, of course, be reused, which is fantastic as well. They're tear resistant, so they can be used for heavy items, and they're also kind of semi-translucent. So I'm gonna get my hand in there so you can see. So if you're packing up orders with multiple items, it's easy to see how things are going in the bag, see how things are packed if you need to rearrange stuff, and also see what you've packed up already. So they're great for carrying lots of heavy items, packing up orders like takeout or to-go items, and they've got great handles on them as well. So it's going to make them easy for your customers to carry and great for things like takeout, grocery stores, or even other retail shops. If you want something that's a little more eco-friendly, this one is going to hit all your points since it's both biodegradable and compostable and can be reused.